ही मुलं साधन वापरून स्ट्रिंग्स अँड बीट्स वापरून सबस्ट्रॅक्शनची गणितं करत आहेत. तर आपण बघूया. पुट एक्झाम्पल 52 minus
2 minus
29. 52 minus 29. Tell me story first.
I have 52 flowers.
Okay.
I have more 29 flowers.
Okay.
5 tens.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
5 tens. Okay.
And 2 units.
Hmm.
1, 2.
Hmm.
I have nine flowers. So I have one string.
Please give.
This 10, this 3.
How many beads total?
I have 12 bits.
Okay.
I count 9 bits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
How beads remaining?
3.
Good answer. 3. Okay.
I have 4 strings.
Okay.
I have 2 strings.
How many remaining?
2 strings remaining.
Good answer. Which answer you got?
23.
52 minus
52 minus 29, 23.
answer is
Answer is 23.
okay. More, you solve next. Apeksha, 42 minus 28. Tell me story.
42.
I have
42. 28.
I give
I give 28. This is Akash.
to Akash. Okay.
4 tens.
Hmm.
2 units.
Okay.
2.
I don't give 8 stick.
8 sticks.
So I take
I
one
take
10.
1 10.
Hmm. How many total units?
I have 12 sticks. 8 sticks is
I gave
I
a
give
stick.
8 sticks.
Hmm.
8.
Hmm. How many remaining?
4.
Hmm. Good answer.
4.
Now you have 3 tens.
3 tens.
Hmm.
2.
I gave
I gave
2 tens.
2
Now how many remaining?
1.
1. Good answer.
14.
Which answer do you get? 42 minus
42 minus 20. 42 minus 28 plus 40.
very good. Siddhi, 32 minus 18. 1 8 18. Tell me story.
I have 32 pencils. I give Poonam 2 18 pencils.
Okay.
3 pens.
10. Put it.
I have 2 pens.
2
Pens. 2 units.
2 units. Okay.
2.
Okay.
I don't give 8 sticks.
I take 1 tens.
I take 1 pen.
How many total units?
12.
12. Now you gave her 8 sticks.
Sticks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
How many remaining?
1, 2, 3, 4.
Good answer.
4 answer.
Now you have 2 tens.
You have 2 pens. I give 1 pen.
How many remaining?
1 pen.
Good answer. Okay. Poonam, 23 minus 23 minus 1 5 15. Tell me story.
23. I have 23 balls. 15 balls. I
Okay.
gave Siddhi.
Okay. How many tens?
2 tens and 3 units. I don't give 5 balls.
You take 1 tens.
Please give me 10 feet.
How many bits total?
How many total is 30?
13. Now you give 5.
5. 1 ball, 2 ball, 3 ball, 4 ball, 5 ball, 6, 5.
How many remaining you have?
1 ball, 2 ball, 3 ball, 4 ball, 5 ball, 6 ball, 7 ball, 8 ball.
Good answer.
Answer 8.
Now you have 1 ten. You gave 1 ten.
1.
How many remaining? 0.
Answer is 8.
23 minus
23 minus 15.
answer is
Answer is 8.
व्हेरी गुड. अशा प्रकारे आपण प्रत्येक उदाहरण सोडवून घेऊ शकतो.